Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Python developer, you probably use tools like linters, which check for errors in your code, formatters, which clean up your code style, and package managers, which install and update the libraries you use. But let's be honest, some of these tools can be slow and frustrating. What if I told you there's a way to make your Python workflow 10x faster? Today, we're diving into Ruff and UV, two powerful Rust-powered tools that are making Python development smoother, faster, and easier. Let's check them out. What is Ruff? First up, let's talk about Ruff. Ruff is a Python linter and formatter built using Rust, a programming language known for its speed. A linter is a tool that scans your code for mistakes, while a formatter ensures your code follows a clean, readable style. Ruff replaces tools like Flake 8, a popular Python linter, isort, which sorts import statements, pylint, and even black, a Python formatter. Instead of using multiple tools, you can do it all with one, and much faster. Why use Ruff? Extremely fast, runs 100x faster than traditional linters. Linting, formatting in one. No need for separate tools. Real-time feedback. Works in VS Code and PyCharm while you type. Auto fixes issues. Cleans up your code automatically. Let me show you how Ruff works. Demo, install Ruff and show it detecting and fixing an error in Python code. How to install and use Ruff. Installing Ruff is simple. You can install it using pip, Python's default package manager, or UV, which we'll discuss soon. Bash pip install Ruff, or using UV, a faster alternative. Bash UV tool install Ruff. Run Ruff to check your code for errors. Bash Ruff check my project automatically fix errors. Bash Ruff check fix my project. With just one command, Ruff formats your code and removes unused imports, extra code you don't need. It's that easy. What is UV? Now let's talk about UV, a next-generation package manager for Python. A package manager is a tool that installs, updates, and removes the software, libraries, your code depends on. What makes UV special? UV is a faster alternative to pip, Python's built-in package manager, and can replace tools like Poetry and PDM, other package managers used for handling dependencies. Why use UV instead of pip? Automatically installs Python. No need for PyEnv or PyM. Works like pip, but better. Handles virtual environments automatically. No need to create them manually. Let's install UV and see how it works. Bash curl-lssf http://astral.sh/uv/install.h, or if you already have pip installed, bash pip install UV. Managing Python packages with UV. Create a new project with UV. Bash UV init. This sets up your project and creates a configuration file. Add a package to your project. Bash UV add requests. This installs the requests library used for making HTTP requests and adds it to your project settings. Run a Python script with UV. Bash UV run my script.py. UV automatically creates a virtual environment, installs required libraries, and runs your script in one step. Advanced features in UV. UV comes with some really smart features that make your workflow smoother. Running scripts without installing dependencies manually. You can define dependencies inside your script using a special comment block. Python dependencies, requests, rich import requests, print, requests.get, example.com.status code. Then run bash UV run my script.py. UV reads the dependencies from the script, installs them automatically, and runs the script, all in one command. Managing virtual environments, automatically, bash UV sync. UV creates and updates a virtual environment automatically. No need to manually create or activate environments. Installing global tools like Black, Ruff, or PyTest. Bash UV tool install Black. This installs the Black code formatter globally, so you can use it anywhere on your machine. Why developers are switching to Ruff and UV? So why are Python developers moving to Ruff and UV? What people are saying. Ruff is so fast I thought it wasn't working, Sebastian, creator of Fast API. UV made managing Python dependencies effortless, real Python. When to use them? Use Ruff if you want lightning-fast linting and formatting. Use UV if you want a modern package manager that simplifies dependency management. Final thoughts on how to get started. All right, that's a wrap. Ruff and UV are game changers for Python developers, making coding faster, simpler, and more efficient. Resources and Ruff, resource github.com/stroll-ask.gosh/ruff. UV, github.com/stroll-h /stroll-h/UV. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future Python tutorials. Comment below. Are you using Ruff or UV? What do you think? Let's chat. See you in the next one. Happy coding.